So we're gonna make some protein waffles, and they're really easy. It just takes a couple different types of steps with your recipes. Some people say that they stick, but I'm gonna show you how mine turn out. So I have melted coconut oil in a glass jar, and I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of salt, and then I'm gonna add 1 cup of almond flour. And my almond flour is the blanched almond flour. It's very smooth. I can see it looks just like white flour. So we have a cup of that, and we have a cup of J-Rob whey protein. And if you have a dairy allergy, you could use the egg white protein if you wanted to. And then I'm going to use a full tablespoon of aluminum-free baking powder. Sprinkle that in. And I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to add 2 eggs. 1, 2. And then I'm going to add a cup of almond milk. So 1 cup. I'm going to mix this up until it's really nice and smooth. And I make sure to have my waffle iron extra hot, and I spray it with my coconut oil spray, and I spray that really good. Make sure I have it's almost gone. And then I use my measuring cup just as an easy pour, and it's kind of a thin batter. You just pour it all in there and then close it, and I usually set my kitchen timer for about 4 minutes, and then they come out perfect. And here is the finished product. Nice and crispy on the outside, and we just put them in the toaster oven because we store them in the freezer. We always have them in the freezer for an easy dinner. We do waffles and eggs a lot, and we use the Nature's Hollow syrup. Happy eating.